Keep in mind that travel, especially Saturday night into Sunday, extremely difficult, if not impossible.
We have so much snow. My idea is actually today not only to make little fun, but I want to show how it is actually, even with a ATV, all-terrain vehicle like a motorcycle with two-wheel drive and so, how is it to drive through snow. And I would like to pick up here to the story about the history of these motorcycles in terms of the Blitzkrieg. And let's see whether we can make it visible, whether these machines can withstand the high snow. We'll call here in a second Matt, our producer, and let's see whether he can come over, or maybe I will pick him up, because I guess his car won't be able to make it through the snow. He's California, I guess maybe he has seen snow once in his life, but not every year. So usually I do it once a year or so, where I just take the motorcycle and go to my friend's house. When we drive in the snow, first of all, obviously we have to have the proper vehicle. So at least it must have a four-wheel drive. And better is if it has a locking differential and even a gear, reducing gear. I have this equipment, and today when I wanted to leave my house, if I wouldn't have these features where I can elevate the car so it doesn't hit the snow, I couldn't leave. Something else. The road is closed here because of, I don't know, some animals crossed it. Or maybe too much snow. See what happens. The war began in June 22nd, 1941, and Hitler was sure that he will gonna take Soviet Union within 1, 2, 3 months. So he didn't even provide warm attire for his troops. And it happens to be that this year the winter in Russia was especially strong, and so they got stuck in many areas in snow. And so let's see how my motorcycle is gonna make it in this Colorado snow. Okay, so that's good. My problem is with my glasses, I don't have my contacts on. I need to get here some soap over this. Yeah. Come with me, I'm gonna show how I do it. Some soap and just rub it without water, just get this over the glasses. This prevents this from getting fogged. Here you go. So this vehicle has a 750cc Boxer engine, and has a quite a good torque, so you can drive it without high RPM, which is important for heavy load or off-road. That's why this vehicle has quite sufficient all-terrain capabilities. You have here a shaft which connects this wheel with the other wheel, two-wheel drive, okay? And opposing cylinders which are working in this way instead of like a V. This is the V instead of the here. And the advantage is that it is very balanced. There's barely vibration on it. hopefully it will get me some ways through the high snow. We'll try it out. It is quite high even for such a motorcycle. Yeah, you see, I couldn't go up with my car anymore here. I'm stuck. That's what I said.
Okay.
I need your hand.
Yeah. All right, Vlad. Hang on. Here, Vlad, let's go.
Wait a minute, let's think. Let's pull it this way. Together. And now. And again. Now you see what the German troops encountered when we were there in Russia and they were approaching Moscow. It happens to be that 1941, the winter of 1941, was one of the most cold. So Hitler planned to get his troops within 2 months to Moscow. He didn't give them even winter attire. Many of them died. So this is how it is in snow. So we have here Siberian winter today. Now, okay.
He's a crazy Russian.
Where's my head? You know what? I think it will be easier to make the freeway here for the motorcycle, you know. Sometimes it's smart to do stupid things. Right now it's stupid to do smart things. Anyway, so we tried this to drive today. As you see, the snow much too high, so it gets under the belly of the motorcycle and this just doesn't have enough torque and tracking, and obviously it is light, so if I would have more weight we could try it, but I think it's clear that the snow in this sidecar is much too high.
Вот чем закончилась сегодня наша поездка.
Yes, we were not able to drive anywhere, just 10 meters and stuck right away. But as I say, this is how strong Mother Nature is. Okay, I'm gonna dress, gonna drive you home.